Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to give you a preview of workshop data for motorcycles. So these are all the brands that we currently cover in this preview. I will take BMW, for example, the R model, and then the R1250 GS from 2018 onwards. And this brings me to the workshop data overview. If you're familiar with workshop data, you've seen this before. So you know on the left-hand side, there's maintenance, repair data, electronics, and smart pack. So the first thing I'll go into is maintenance. I'll select the maintenance interval for 12 months, continue. And this is now my maintenance schedule. This is still standard. You can select additional work if you want. As you can see, here's your standard time, here's the added time, and there's a new total time. There's also images on, for instance, the location of the drain plug, which is very easy and handy. This is information on lubricants and fluids, as you can see. And there's also adjustment data, like this one for the brakes. So once you've gone through all of it and you've selected all the additional jobs that you want to do, you can go back up, you can click on print, and you can create a customer version or workshop version, and that's where you're ready to start a job. So going to the next item, which is repair data. First thing I want to show you is repair times. For instance, for the cooling system, the coolant pump, and then the renewal of the coolant pump. As you can see here, I've selected one job, the total time is 3 hours. Going back, the next thing I want to show you is our technical drawings, which, as you can see, they're very nice. They've got tightening torques as well for the bolts. This is all very handy information. So going back, I want to show you our electronics tab and the wiring diagram for the keyless start-stop system. And I'm going to select the throttle twist grip. Now here you can see the VESA overview. On the right hand side you can see the wiring diagram, and on the left hand side you can see the VESA steps. So if I click on the first step, it tells me to measure the resistance between pins 1 and B58. And it says it should read 1 ohm on the multimeter. Does it? I'm going to say no, for example, and here you can see the next step. And you can follow the diagnostic process all the way through you've fixed your problem. That concludes my demonstration of electronics. Now the last part is smart pack. Here you normally find a list of all the items that are available. At the moment there's one technical service bulletin, which I'll show you now. As you can see, these are all built up in the same way. Symptom, cause, solution. Easy, very easy to understand, very easy to finish your job. And that concludes our preview of workshop data for motorcycles. For more information, stay tuned on our website, HaynesPro.com or LinkedIn.